This hadith narrated by Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radhiyallahu ta'ala anha describes an incident where Prophet Mohammad S.A.W. instructed to bring a particular kind of animal for sacrifice. The animal had a distinguishing features of being completely black, with black eyes and black hooves. It was specified for the purpose of sacrifice. Upon bringing such an animal, Prophet Muhammad S.A.W. instructed to bring a knife and sharpen it with a stone. Then he took the knife, held the animal, recited Bismillah Allahumma minka wa ilayka, in the name of Allah, O Allah, from you and to you, and slaughtered the animal. Afterward, he said, in the name of Allah, O Allah, accept this sacrifice on behalf of Muhammad, the family of Muhammad, and the Ummah of Muhammad, peace be upon him. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23395.